Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, red color, sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, black color, yellow color, brown color, and light green color. Kids, now you draw one. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. T. T for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.